Hi guys, this is the book study by RTan. So the book that I chose is The Grand Design by Stephen Hawking and Leonard Mlodinow. This book is published on September 2010. So the general overview of the book is that a framework for discovering the answer to life, the universe, and everything else. And also a model of a universe that creates itself. So what was presented by the authors? These are the three insights that I feel was presented by the authors. So firstly, we have no idea what is objectively real, or all formulas are actually model dependent instead of real. And then to explain observations, and we like to explain observations with a set of narrowly defined rules, which is the best that we can ever do in this era or understanding. So the top of idea that was presented by the authors is that M theory is the only candidate for a complete theory of the universe, because there's no other theory that can come close to be the theory of everything, or the theory of the universe. And M theory, to mention briefly about M theory is a set of string theory. And then to tie this book to creativity and innovation, I feel that there are two things that we need to understand from this book first, which is there are no answers to everything in life, so we just need to try using different possibilities or combination. And the second one, if you think that you know about something 100%, probably it's not true, as it's probably like about 90%, so there's always a room for improvement. Therefore, this is something that we need to accept in life, so that and also that I learned from the book, so that we can then improve or develop ourselves even further, which can indirectly help us to be more creative and innovative as we are more open to other things or combinations. So what I get from this study, firstly, philosophical mindset and compassion, because it helped us to think in a very logical and rational way. This was actually a common topic or a common theme in the book, is to think logical and rationally. And I believe that these two things will play an important role in how I'm going to live my life. There's also a quote from the book that I really like. If nature is governed by laws, three questions arise. What is the origin of the laws? Are there any exceptions to the laws? Example, miracles. Is there only one set of possible laws? So from this quote, I learned that as a human being, we need to be always curious about things, so that we can be motivated in learning. After all, learning is a never-ending process. So personal reflection that I have from this book study is there are three things. First, never be satisfied with anything, because this will be the first step of self-improvement. Secondly, mistakes are always welcome, because this is the best method to learn, and all scientists fail at one point in their life. And lastly, there are always more than one answer in life, so explore other routes if you're stuck. Thank you.